There is no advanced restart button in this particular ROM, hence I am using volume up button and power button to boot into recovery. Press them simultaneously. Okay, let me power off. This is the Android 13 beta 1 video. You can check out here. I'll give the cards. Recently I made a video on that. And once the power off, I mean smartphone powered off, use the volume up button and power button to boot into recovery. Once the Poco logo appear, you can remove the finger on power button and continuously press the volume up button. Again you will receive a haptic feedback, then you can remove the other finger too. And this is the latest TWRP recovery available for Poco X3. Go to wipe section here and select advanced wipe and select Dalvik cache and data and swipe here to wipe it. Once that has been done, go to home section here and select install and select the micro SD card, and wherever you downloaded the firmware ROM zip files, everything you need to be keep it in one folder. It will be easier. And first flash the firmware always 12.5.5.0. Many people are complaining about 12.5.7.0. I don't have any problem, but anyhow we'll go with 12.5.5.0 only. And go to home section again and select install and select the ROM zip file here. I am flashing this Blaze version 1.1 Surya. You can see here it's the latest available build for Poco X3. You can see here, let me get closer. You can see here version 1.1 2022-56. This is the latest build available for Poco X3. It takes a little bit of time to flash the ROM. Wait until it gets flashed. As you can see, the ROM zip file has been flashed successfully. Again go to home section here and select wipe and select format data and type here YES and press this tick button. Done. Again go to home section and select reboot and select the system. This is how the flashing method of this particular ROM. This is a new type of ROM. Let's see what all the features available, how is the customization, and what are all the bugs available, and how it handles the BGMI, especially in Sanok, I mean the boot camp. We'll be seeing everything in detail in this particular video. And here we go, it's booted into the ROM, and let's begin this video. Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath SamFX Poco X3 custom ROM reviews, and this is the Android 12L based Blaze version 1.1. You can see here Android version 12L. Let me show you here. This is the Easter egg you get for Android 12L with 5th May 2022 security patch, the latest one. And you can see the kernel used here is 4.14.246 kernel has been used, and Linux status is enforcing. Build date is around like this week only, May 6th. That's how it is. And I have been running the CPU throttling test from last 5 minutes and 3 seconds. You can see here the maximum is 158. Let me increase a little bit of brightness and disable the automatic brightness. Yeah, now it's fine. The maximum is 158 and average is 141 and minimum is 100 GIPS. And there is a throttling going on. You can see here 84% of its maximum performance the CPU is throttled. That's how it is. And the benchmark results also, let me show you the Antutu benchmark here. You will get very good score, 3,14,397, not 3,70,60,000 what we have seen in the previous week. And you can see here the scores, and the temperature rise was just 0.9 degrees Celsius, and battery drop is also only 1% during this testing. That's good thing, but could have been better scores, but that's how it is. And even the Geekbench scores are also not up to the mark. You can see here the single score is 532 and multi score is 1276, and the kernel used here is Linux 4.14.246 kernel has been used. That's quite good scores, but not great enough. But let's see how it handles in BGMI at the end of the video. And regarding camera applications, you get this kind of basic camera application, but I have installed this Arno build Gcam. It's working fine. Even wide angle works fine. Even in the video, everything will be working fine here. And at 12L, I don't think so you get any ANX camera support. And this is the home settings, and this is the quick settings panel. You get a little bit of rounded toggles here instead of elliptical, whatever it is size, oval shape what you seen in Android 12. that's not present here. They have a little bit customized here in this particular Brave OS or whatever it is, the version 1.1, and you'll see the data usage here, and this is how the quick settings panel you get. You can edit the options. Some of the options, as you can see, those are present here, and swiping between them is smooth enough, not a problem here. That's fine. And coming to home settings, you get this kind of pre-installed launcher here, wallpaper, and home settings you get Pixel launcher as a default launcher. That's very good. And Project Blaze, not Brave, sorry, I mentioned Brave before. This is Blaze. New ROM I haven't seen before this, and you get widgets also, Android 12 style, and wallpapers and style. You will get all the Android 12 wallpapers. You can see here, you can keep it them. That's how it is. And left side you get Google No Pains, that's available. And dialer, let's see the dialer. Let me increase a little bit of volume and remove the silent mode here. You can see here the call axis and microphone axis, whatever it is, it's present now. Let me make call, and there is a direct video call feature available in this ROM. No need to worry about that. And good thing is call recording is also available. That's how it is. This is how the ROM is made of. And let's see the speed test in this particular ROM. I have here like 100 Mbps Geo Giga Fiber connection. It's pulling up to 90 to 95 Mbps, which is not a problem. And even with mobile data connection also I have checked, it's working fine. And carrier aggregation is also working fine, no problem regarding that too in this particular ROM. Coming to DRM info, you get level 1 certification. No need to worry watching OTT application in HD resolution. You can watch it out without any problem. And let me install Safetynet status. I haven't installed it. You can see the keyboard also. It's based on themed colors. You get colors even in the keyboard too. That's from Android 12. It's still available in Android 12L. It's showing pending. There is a little bit of downloading. Okay, now it's done. Let me run the test. Here we go, it get passed. You can use all the OTT applications like Google Pay, Phone Pay, whatever it is, and even Google Maps are also working fine. No problem regarding that too in this particular ROM. And Google Photos unlimited storage is available. And regarding settings, let's move into settings. You can see here it's smooth enough, and it's also different layout compared to any other Android 12L, even Android 12 ROMs. And yesterday or day before yesterday I made a video on Android 13 also. Look out that there are a little bit of changes in the UI also. You can check out that. And regarding this particular ROM, you get display options like this. You get minimum, maximum and low power refresh rate. I kept to 60, 120 and 60 respectively. And tap to wake is given, prevent accidental wake up. Display color calibration is given. You can make it out. And one thing is app refresh rate is given. Per app you can choose. And one thing is if you enable this LCD features like high brightness mode to high and CABC mode to high, then you might face battery draining and even the heating issues. So mind it. Don't use them while you are playing the game like that. While watching videos and things, you can customize them. They are given here, as you can see, CABC mode, you can customize them. That's how it is. And coming to network maintenance, those things are given. And Blaze House, I will speak it in a second. And wallpapers and style, as I said before, dark theme and themed icons, app grid are given. App settings you can choose here, default apps and special app access, those things are given. Location working fine. Security options, you get face lock, fingerprint unlock, and app locker is also pre-installed there. That's fine enough. You need not to install any third-party applications. Location working fine. Notifications, you get all the options here. Bubbles features is given, and enhanced notifications you can enable or disable from here. Those things are given. Accessibility menu is also given. Just enable this. You can use volume and brightness without using the actual buttons. It's an handy feature. You can definitely try it out. I've been telling that in every video of Android 12 and above. And gestures, you get system navigation. Here you can increase the length of the pill, but it's not visible. You can see here. You need to see like this to recognize it. Hence, there should be an option to increase the height, I mean the pill height also. Then it would be better. That's how it is. Now into the Blaze house, you get here theme section and headline body font. You can customize them. Plenty are given here. You can see here, and icon pack also customize. Signal icon style and Wi-Fi icon style and icon shape you can customize from here. And traffic indicators are given into this status bar settings, and clock and date format you can change. Your battery styles are given, and battery percentage also you can hide and keep it out. And double tap to sleep old style model data icon show 4G instead of LT VoLTE icon, Vivo effect icon show data, disabled icon location access indicator, and camera icon mic access indicator you can disable or enable from here. If you swipe here, QS panel you get position, brightness slider, QS transparency you can adjust them, and even the clear all notification bar also you can adjust them. Double tap to sleep locks and charging information, ripple effect for small clock pulse, mid-air blur level is given. You can show or you can enable or disable from here. Into this system settings you get vibrator on, connect, call waiting and disconnect you can enable or disable from here. Volume rocker wave, toggle torch when screen off, ignore Windows secure flags also options is given. Toast tap icon, there is an option to increase the high FPS count like that what we see in many of the ROMs. That's how it is. That's the one thing they would have been added, but anyhow it's fine enough. As you can see, it's smooth to scroll between settings app and even the apps you can see here. These are the recent apps, and let me show you the BGMI gameplay and wind out this video. Let's see what all the graphics settings and how it handles in Sanok, and everything will be explained here. And this are the BGMI. Let's see the graphic settings what we get here. We get smooth plus 90 FPS. That's really good. No need to enable any options in miscellaneous. That's really good in this particular ROM. Even in the previous ROM also it was fine enough. Like this only we got options. And there's the volume panel. I kept to 90% almost. And let's see how it handles in boot camp. Let me unfollow. And by the way, if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below guys, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like. Many people watching my videos but not subscribing to my channel, hit that subscribe button guys. And into the boot camp, they are also going to boot camp. Let's go with them. And device is not getting that much warm here. There was no lag even while landing also. I can't show you the real-time FPS. Here I don't have any gaming mode or anything like that. If I had that, I would have been shown. It was laggy for a second. And again set to same smooth plus 90 FPS. I will show you, as you can see, with same graphics settings. It was a little bit difficult in Sanok, but in TDM let's see. It's a little bit choppy, even though it's 90 FPS, but still playable, but not as in the gaming ROM what I've seen in the previous, like Evolution X or Cherish OS or Carousel. It's not as smooth as those ROMs. These are initial builds, will have these kind of glitches, but still they are providing 90 FPS by default. That's really good. As you can see, it's still playable. I'll come back and I will show you the fingerprint unlock speeds here. As you can see, it's quick enough to unlock the smartphone using fingerprint unlock. Not the fastest, but still you can make it out the use of that. And even the face unlock, let me show you. As you can see, it's very quick to unlock using the face unlock also. And regarding charging animation and 33-watt charger support, let's see. The face unlock is activated. As you can see, it's showing charging rapidly. You can see here. It will increase later. Charging slowly, it's showing. Yeah, it's showing charging slowly. It's not supported, I think so, 33-watt charger. I will update in the comment section if you ask it. That's all guys in this video. I hope I explained everything. This is how the Project Blaze version 1.1 on Poco X3 NFC Surya Karna, whatever it is, you can flash using my method I explained in the beginning of the video. And hope you like the video. That's the verdict, is like, just you can try it out, but definitely you can't use it as a daily driver. It's in still initial build. You can make it out for day-to-day uses, but not for gaming. That's all guys in this video. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.